Okay, guys, this is what not to do. We've got a Ford F-150 King Ranch. Was it 5.5 foot bed on a U-Haul trailer, car transport, and while it may look like it's actually on there, those are the ramps. It's like literally just sitting a couple inches off there. What we did was we actually strapped it, and we strapped it to the ramps to make sure that it didn't go anywhere, so if it did fall off, it wasn't sitting there. But you know, I mean, it got squirrely, you know, at 55 miles an hour, no bueno. My brother's right there. He was the one, he was in charge of the engineering on making sure this thing stayed together. Did a pretty good job. Didn't move any. What happened to this truck? Drove it to Spokane, did a Washington State Patrol inspection on it, drove it home, and the oil pump went and died. 50 miles from home. Had to go rent a U-Haul, trailer, and truck.